Mag-unbox ako ng parcel na galing sa Shopee. Ito yung in-order namin na power bank.
Today?
Sige.
Attention, please take a minute to shoot an unboxing video. This will help both of us in case something happened with your parcel. If you have any concern, please send to our customer service team your unboxing video. Thank you for your cooperation. So, walay buslot guys, walay seal. Ay, walay buslot ang one seal siya. Itong sulod o nabay daot or wala. Okay. Asay, putos. 5. Gunting. Gunting siya mo. Yung main box.
Cute ba kaayo? Goods.
Moment of truth. Charge up. Charging.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Ayan, i-charge. Ayan, nag-charge siya. Guys, nag-charge. Ayan. So, hanggang dito na lang. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.